As you've seen, we're opening the Catch Club by Cajun Lures, and every month it seems to be themed. This is only my second month opening it. Definitely go check them out. I love the last month. Let's see what this one has. There's the Catch Club tip of the month, and this week looks to be on wacky, the wacky worm. I'm gonna grab all the baits and we're gonna talk about them. So I actually like how they name all their things. They bring that Cajun culture into it. And the first one, I have 3 different of their batons, which for y'all that's not from Louisiana means stick. But this is the baton June bug. It is a purple with blue flake. Then they have the baton watermelon rouge. Which rouge, it means red in French. And then they have the baton green pumpkin in here. And the last soft plastic they have in here is the Cajun Lure Mad Minnow Voodoo colored. Let me take it out the pack just so I can. Woo, they got some scent on them. What is that? What is that? What is that? I don't know. Winnie's over here trying to eat them, so they look to be a black with looks like red flake and a chartreuse tail on them. What you think, Winnie? You like them? All right, and then of course we have Wacky Rig hooks by Vector Hooks, and we have these O-rings for wacky rigging. And then these are some nail weights. They're 1/32 ounce nail weights from Rougarou Tackle. I don't know anything about them. Definitely gonna check them out. Last week I know we had another Louisiana company. So this week I figured, since I'm new to bass fishing, still trying to learn it out, what we're gonna do is I'm actually going to show, using this card, how to set up a wacky rig. I have some just 14-pound monofilament. Just going to tie a Palomar knot on this one because it's a pretty simple knot. If you want to see a video on how to do knots, let me know. I'm not great at all of them, but there's a few that I know. But a Palomar knot's one of the strongest knots, and it's probably one of the simplest to tie, in my opinion. I know this color, the green pumpkin, is normally a good color around here, so I'm gonna put it on. So they give you the O-rings, but if you're gonna wacky rig, to make it easier on you, you can go and buy these tools. I picked this one up. It's the O-Wacky tool. It's a hollow body. I think I've even seen people talk about using pens and stuff, or Sharpies and cutting the ends and stuff. But you can load they got a screw in the back that holds the O-rings on, so you can preload your O-rings on it, then slide the O-rings to the front of the tool. And then I like to figure out what a center of anything is. It's doubling in half. So right at the back, there's ribs on it, smooth ribs, and right at the back of here is about the halfway point of it. And then just like that, it's on there. What the O-ring actually does, I believe, is saves your worm from being torn up. And then this is the part I'm not sure on. It does not say what to do, but I think you can just kind of go through on the plastic, and then you see there, just kind of wobble like that. If you want to change the presentation up on this wacky worm just a little bit more, is you could put a nail weight here, right in the center here, and when it falls, this will fall faster and this tail will still stick up some. So I'm actually gonna go take y'all outside, get a tote set up, and show y'all how this wacky rig works. And as always, if you see me doing anything wrong, let me know, because like I said, new to bass fishing. I'll probably screw things up before I'm done. This is an unweighted wacky worm. Gotta break the surface tension, but alright, so now we're gonna add the nail weight to the head of this worm. Add the nail weight. Just wanna find the center and shove that nail weight all the way in, flush with the top. So let's see how it performs now. See it, when it falls, it just kind of sticks to the bottom and the tail falls a little bit. How a wacky rig works, you might think about giving a thumbs up on this video, even a subscribe. Who knows? If you like to see how that unboxing went, let me know. If there's anything else you want to see, let me know. And also in the comments below, there'll be a link to Cajun Lures, Vector Hooks, and Rougarou Tackle. If you want to pick up anything by any of them companies, if you have a question, make sure you leave it in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer it. And if you ever see me do anything wrong on any of my videos, let me know.